Hello friends, welcome to your only gardening channel, Print with Green, with one more gardening video. Today's video will be very special as the winner of August 2021 giveaway will be declared, and also will be doing this month's giveaway in this video. So watch the video till the end without skipping for more details on giveaway for September 2021. And if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel for more gardening updates. In today's episode, we will be doing a repotting of caladium plants. Caladium, as you know, are one of the foliage plants that are rich in color and adds color to one's garden during rainy season. Caladiums can be grown by planting tubers during the month of March-April, as March-April is the best season to plant the caladium tuber. But if your caladium is mixed and growing many varieties in a single pot, then you can separate it during rainy season when you can easily identify different plants varieties. I am doing this for this purpose only. For potting, I've used 50% garden soil, 30% of cow dung manure, 10% sand and 10% leaf mold. But you can use 50% garden soil and 30% cow manure and 20% sand for your plant, as caladium varieties can be grown easily in garden soil with some manures only as well. So friends, the winner of August 2021 giveaway is KAVITHA KOMMINDILA. I will give details of the winner in description box as well. And I am doing a very special plant giveaway also this month. All you need to do to participate in this giveaway is only two things: subscribe to my YouTube channel and do leave a comment in this video. The giveaway plant for September 2021 is this beautiful agave. I would like to thank all the participants who have participated in August 2021 giveaway and would like to welcome all in this giveaway too.